Hi, do you want to learn how to make bows? How about loopy bows, butterfly bows, boutique bows, corker bows, flower bows, pinwheel bows, trendy clips, headbands, and baby headbands? Well, they are so much fun to make, and it's definitely going to save you money over buying store bought bows. And look at all these bows that you can make. These are just some of the thousands of bows that you'll be able to design at home in your favorite colors, with your favorite embellishments, for all different holidays and seasons, for every different outfit. Look at all the variety and look at how unique they are. That is what's so much fun about making your own bows is you can make them so unique that no one else is going to have the same bow. So, if you want to start making bows today, visit learnhowtomakebows.com and we'll start you off by giving you a free lesson on how to make a boutique bow. So, for your free instructions, please visit learnhowtomakebows.com right now and sign up to receive them directly to your email. Again, that's learnhowtomakebows.com. Have fun making hair bows.